Over the past few years, Radió Rí-Rá have released an Irish language pop album featuring, of course, loads of Irish bands. And one of those contributing this year is this club. So I'm here to meet frontman Johnny Holden, who's going to tell me all about it.
I pull you, you push me, and we grow apart. Rebel view, one-on-one with them battle hearts.
So Johnny, tell me, why did you guys decide to get involved?
Well, we were just, when we were approached by the lads, we were quite interested in the idea of it. I mean, none of us are amazing Irish speakers, but we were very happy to assist in any project that promotes it. Our most popular track is called I Won't Worry, or Ní Bhaidh Mé Bortha.
Did you have trouble translating it, or did you have help translating it?
Oh, I got help. Yeah, I got some help. We did part of it. I remember. I used some of the words, like the actual Irish words as they were, that I could remember, and then we did a lot of phonetics as well. The trickiest thing is not the words themselves. It's that in order to say something in Irish, you might need more words or more syllables. So you're trying to fit them in. Do you know what I mean? In the space that you had from before.
Would it give you a grow to kind of go back to school or late night classes and learn a bit more Irish?
Yeah,
again?
I mean, I have toyed with it over the years a few times. I would love to. I was quite good at it in school, but then as soon as I stopped having to use it in any real way, it just went gone. Vanished. But then when I do things like this, I go, oh yeah, I know what that means, or I know what that means. So yeah, totally.
Johnny, describe your music in general. The English Osperla version for anybody who isn't actually familiar with this club.
It's very dancey, upbeat, kind of pop, disco, soul, funk, jazz, ska, speed, metal. Something. There's a lot of influences in there, but it's very, very dancey, and the aim of it is to try and get people up off their arses moving. Yeah.
What does 2013 hold for you guys?
We're heading to LA in May.
For touring or for recording? Or
we're playing something called the International Muse Expo, which is a music showcase in Hollywood. So we're doing about 4 gigs over 2 days to a bunch of industry types.
You guys get so much radio play. It's doing so well for your music. Do you think it's difficult to do that in Ireland sometimes when you're up against kind of international pop and dance?
Yeah, I mean, certainly it is, and if you can get on the radio, it really is the trick, and makes life a hell of a lot easier in terms of getting people to gigs and just getting opportunities. Certain bands can make their whole living and success from being really active social media, you know, really good at that and really coy about how they do that kind of stuff. Other people, yeah, use the traditional methods like radio and TV and stuff. It does help, you know. I mean, you can't deny if your music is pumped into people's houses whether they like it or not.